Ready to transform your social media marketing agency from scattered chaos to streamlined success? Starting with a killer website. First, head over to Wix.com and create a new account or log into your existing one. Once you're in, click on Create New Site. Wix offers a plethora of templates. Type marketing agency into the search bar and choose a template that aligns with your brand's aesthetic and service offerings. Don't worry, you can customize everything later. Now, the fun begins. Click Edit on your chosen template. Start by replacing the default text with compelling copy that showcases your agency's unique value proposition and the problems you solve for your clients. Create dedicated pages for each of your core services: social media management, content creation, paid advertising, and clearly outline the benefits clients will receive. Make sure you include high-quality images or short videos that showcase your work. Credibility is key. Dedicate a section to showcasing case studies. Include before and after results, client testimonials, and metrics that prove your agency's impact. A great way to convince prospects. Integrate lead generation tools. Wix offers a variety of apps. Add a contact form, a live chat feature, or even a scheduling tool to capture leads directly from your website. Find this under the Apps area on the left-hand sidebar. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly. Wix makes this easy with its responsive design features. Preview how the website looks on various devices to ensure everything works perfectly for your mobile traffic. Optimize your website for search engines. Use Wix SEO to identify relevant keywords and optimize your website's content and meta descriptions. This will allow more people to find your website. Track your website's performance using Wix Analytics. Monitor traffic, bounce rates, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement and measure the success of your marketing efforts. And that's it. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a professional website that attracts clients and establishes your social media marketing agency as a leader in the industry. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials.